Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Nuralia Muhlis with student ID number is 232069. Today, I will be presenting my practicum work on implementing transfer learning using 4 different pre-trained models on the CIFAR 100 dataset. First, in Cell, I am imported all the necessary libraries including TensorFlow, Keras applications like VGG16, ResNet 50, MobileNet v2, and Inception v3, as well as layer for building the model. In Cell 2, I loaded the CIFAR 100 day dataset. This day dataset consists of 50,000 training images and 10,000 test images each, with a small resolutions of 32 by 32 pixels. The dataset data was also normalized by dividing by 255. In Cell 3, I set up data augmentation using image data generator for the training data. This includes operations like rotations, width, and height shifts, and horizontal flips to help the model generalize better. Then in Cell 4, I create a generic function called train model. This function loads a base model, sets in its input shapes to 32 by 32, freezes all its layers dot trainable false, and adds new custom top layers. Finally, it compiles, trains the model for 5 epochs, and plots the accuracy and loss graphs. In Cell 5, I trained the VGG16 model as the graphs show. The validation accuracy orange line consistently increased and the validation loss decreased. This model learned well. In Cell 6, I trained ResNet 50. However, the result was different. The graphs show that both the validation accuracy and validation loss remained completely flat, indicating that the model failed to learn. In Cell 7, I trained MobileNet v2 similar to ResNet 50. The graphs were also flat, showing very little learning. Cell 8 was for Inception v2, which had a specific problem. It cannot accept input smaller than 75 by 75, which caused an error in my first attempt. To solve this in Cell 8, I manually built the model using a lambda layer to dynamically upsample the 32 by 32 images to 75 by 75. This fix allowed the model to run. However, the result was the same as ResNet 50. The accuracy remained flat at 1%. Finally, Cell 6 prints a concluding message that the evaluation is complete. That concludes my presentation. Thank you very much for your time and attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.